Chapter 3, Number 66. In Figure 3.66, a spider is resting after starting to spin its web. The gravitational force on the spider is 0.15 newtons down. The spider is supported by different tension forces in the two strands above it, so that the resultant vector force on the spider is 0. The two strands are perpendicular to each other, so we have chosen the x and y directions to be along them. The tension Tx is 0.127 newtons. Find A, the tension Ty, B, the angle the x-axis makes with the horizontal, and C, the angle the y-axis makes with the horizontal. The first step in problem 66 is to write down the given values. Force of gravity is 0.15 newtons, and the tension in x is 0.127 newtons. Once you have written the given values, write down what you need to find, the tension in the y cable. In order to find the tension in the y cable, you need to first find theta x and theta y. Theta x is the angle the x-axis makes with the horizontal, and theta y is the angle the y-axis makes with the horizontal. The two angles will be complementary. For the next step, draw a free body diagram for the spider. Be sure to label the correct given values and what you are trying to find, tension y. Also, label the two angles, theta x and theta y, as seen in the diagram. If you need more time to draw, pause the video. We will start by solving 66b to find theta x. The tension in cable x and the gravitational force times sine theta x will cancel out, and therefore equal 0. This is shown by the equation negative 0.15 newtons times sine theta x plus 0.127 newtons equals 0. After rearranging the equation to solve for theta x, we get that theta x equals 57.9 degrees. This is your answer for 66b. Using the value we found for theta x, we can now solve A. The tension in the y cable and the force of gravity times cosine theta will cancel out to 0. Using this equation and the value we found for theta, we can find Ty. The answer to A is 0.0798 newtons. This is the tension in the y cable. 66c asks us to find theta y. Theta y is complementary to theta x, so we can find it by subtracting theta x from 90 degrees. Theta y is 32.1 degrees. You have now completed the problem finding the tension in the y spider string, theta x, and theta y. Physics is fun.